What's next for RGV Photography Workshops? First, what happened? Well, back in March, I had to stop teaching in-person classes. Then, the virus got worse. And under these conditions, as time went on, I was really sad that I had to let go of the studio. I'm still very heartbroken and sad over it, but moving on, during these months, I've been researching and experimenting with different forms of teaching photography online. And the silver lining is that now my lessons are more convenient, affordable, and safe. Because starting on October 5th, I will begin with lesson 1 and go through my curriculum one lesson at a time. So what do you get? Well, you get a simple digestible lesson. Now the lessons are about 15 minutes to half hour at most. They are accompanied with a slideshow presentation. There's also a PDF download that you get when you first register. There will be homework assignments with the option to upgrade for my feedback, and a live Q&A session after the presentation. Guys, I'm excited about this new streamlined program with the online format. It also means I'm going to be more engaging online. I'm really looking forward to resuming your photography journey.